Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do the body mounts on the truck. I know I dropped the truck off a couple of weeks ago to get the body mounts done. This wasn't a regular mechanic. This is the guy that works on our company vehicle, so he's used to working on trucks and old vehicles. And but anyway, so I left the truck there for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and then he just basically called me up one day. Goes like, "Hey, come get your truck." I was thinking it was ready, and he goes like, "Nah, truck is too old. I don't feel like working on it." So I ended up wasting 2 weeks. So I'm doing it myself now. But there is a big danger of losing a finger, losing a hand. That's why I didn't want to do it to begin with. But now I got no choice. I have to do it myself. So if you're doing this yourself, please be careful. Be very careful. Let me show you guys the some of the items I'm using, and the reason why I'm saying be very careful, because I'm just rigging this up, and obviously again could be dangerous, could lose a finger, a hand, or worse. So let's start now. Alright, for those of you that are new to the channel, this is our '89 Suburban that we are trying to turn into a overland vehicle. This one is bolted down. Right now it's loose. This one here is just gets placed in there. Nothing holds it. You just wedge in there. Then you have another one right here. That one is also just placed in there. And then you have the one all the way in the back, rear bumper. That one does get bolted down. Let me show you on the inside now. So that's the one right here, and that's the other one right here. So of course I got one helper there. Hey buddy, say hi. Here's the helper here, the other one, and all the dinosaur and all the tools. This side's already done, so I placed the jack right behind the wheel. I had the 4x4 like this, the 2x4 on top, just to spread some of the weight around, and it goes right here. Then I jack it up, and what that does is that separates the body from the frame. Of course, you do have to loosen everything up. Front comes out really easy as well. One more there. That one's in bad shape, and you have one more on the front over there. Do the same thing, 2x4 with the 4x4 right here. You jack it up, and you create enough space to take that one out. My suggestion would be leave everything loose, work your way from the back. There's the front, loose everything up, then little by little jack that one, replace those, come here, jack this one, replace this one, and continue all the way down. Hi baby. So much love here. Please be careful. Again, you can and you will lose a finger if you're not careful. And then that's it. You can just take it out, clean it up. So here it looks like, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go ahead and use this metal right here. I don't know the name of it, but you're supposed to reuse it. And that one will probably go right here on top here, like that. This is the bottom one, which it was borrowed, this one here, and that one will go here. So I'll be back in a few. Let me clean this up, and we're good to go again. Alright, this is what it looks like after being clean. I lowered the jack. Obviously I do have a little bit of rust issues here. Spray paint everything with the same thing, the rust protector or rust preventer. So everything's back in the same place now. This one goes top to bottom, overhangs here. This one goes into it like this. You can see how it looks like flush there. Then put your bolt right through it, and that should be it. You need a 3/4 or 19 millimeter socket That side of the truck came out a lot easier. This side of the truck is not coming out, so I had to remove the jack from here to the back end right here, because this one is not coming out at all. This is the metal washer was on top of it that fell apart. So just in case you run into the same issue, yeah, just reset the jack back here. And this is why, if you have access to a garage lift, is so much easier, because again, you can set it up different locations and lift two sides at the same time, where I need to keep resetting the 4x4 different locations. So just keep that in mind. And again, you can see how dangerous it is. See, my hands are right here, and this one's spinning, but it's not coming out at all. Here's my crooked screwdriver. Let's see if I can. There you go. There you go. Wow. There he goes. I guess I could have used a saw, but my main concern was all the vibration could knock the 4x4 down or something, so I just rather I went this way. I know definitely it might be more difficult, but could be the safest way. Wow. If you're underneath the truck, you can use your foot. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video will help someone. Please don't be discouraged. It is a lot of work. It is dangerous work. Like I was saying before, please be safe if you decide to do this yourself. And do not be discouraged by a lazy mechanic. I don't want to say that guy is a bad mechanic, because it's not. Like I said before, he does service a lot of vehicles, our company vehicles. I just think it was just he just got lazy, and I do know this truck is overwhelming. That's why I'm sitting down, because I'm pretty beat up. But again, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.